Hello everybody. In this video we will learn how to set up a video calling for Amazon Echo Show. No matter what you're using, Echo Show 1, 2, 3, 5 to 8, whatever, how to set up a video calling with the Amazon Alexa Echo Show. So what we have to do, I'm gonna turn off mic for this one so it's not gonna respond. You have to go to your Amazon app, Alexa app. You have it. I have an Amazon Alexa app over here. Let me draw a little bit. So before you make a video call, you need a couple things. You have to have a contact and your phone, or somebody have to have a Amazon Alexa app, Alexa device or something, and you need to save their email or name and your phone so you can let what you want to do it. So once everything you have on your cell phone, what you do, you go to here on your app, click here on the middle. Alexa, send text message to Baljit. Say hi, Baljit.
Got it. Should I send it?
Yes.
Sending to Baljit.
Okay, so now my app gonna send text message like here is sent to me. I will also see here on my app, if you go here, like on the bottom it says communication. I click on communication. I have a here already message. I click on message, then you will see there's an option for call and video call. What simply we're gonna do now, we're gonna turn on the mic from here, and on our cell phone or on our device, we can start making call. Go to communication and start calling. I'm gonna call from here. It says Alexa video call. Okay, I called here. See what I'm gonna get call. Okay, I got a call over here too.
Call from Baljit.
You wanna answer, decline, whatever? I'm gonna say
It's Baljit.
answer. That's the way you can make a video call. Now we have a set up our Amazon Alexa Echo Show for video call. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.